Bernina 1230. And I just opened it up already. I just want to show you. Look at this. Everything is working. Everything is working, but look at the needle. See the needle? Look. Everything works, everything's fine, but the needle doesn't go up and down. Feeder's working fine. You reverse it, it works fine. Everything works fine, but the needle, it sits, it's not moving. This is a typical case. I know for a fact that this machine, they took it to another shop. I'm sure the technician went crazy trying to get this fixed. This is not it's not an easy fix. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna go crazy. You're gonna go crazy trying to get this done. It's not hard, but you need to know what the problem is. It's not complicated, but you need to know, because you have to go into the timing of the machine and you have to take it off and put back the synchronizer, but you have to do it right. Otherwise, everything is off. Let's go dig in, check it out for you, make it perfect. Here is the machine now. As you can see here in this button right here, if I press the button, now the machine should go one stitch and one miss. Let's see. Perfect. That's exactly what it needs to do. Now if I press this button, it should go 3 stitches and 1 no. Okay, that's exactly what it needs to do. See? That's perfect. So now I get out of there, and then the machine starts stitching perfectly fine. It means that this is all fixed now. Okay, we had finished setting up the machine. This is the Bernina 1230. It was just that the needle was just sitting there up on the open position without moving. Now you can see when I select the stitches here, either 1 in and 1 out, 1 in, 1 out, or the other one, which is 3 stitches, stop, 1 makes, 3 stop, 1 make. That's the way it's supposed to work. Again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Let's go.